Good day everyone, this is the part 2 of Zipgrade tutorial. Okay, in your mobile, go to Google Play Store and search for Zipgrade. To search for the app, you have to type Zipgrade in the search box. Okay, so this is the app. So let us see the preview of the app, and this is how it looks like if it is installed in your phone. This is the picture of the scanned answer sheet and the item analysis. And now let us install the app and let us wait for a few minutes. So it will take only 1 minute to install the app, and it depends upon your internet connection. So we have now installed the app. Then to launch the app, kindly press open. So we are now going to log in to our email and password. Type there your email account, then your password. So we are here in the dashboard of Zipgrade. So we have quizzes. If you're going to click that, you will go to quizzes and student to know the list of your students, the classes that you have entered in the website, the tags, and the cloud sync, and the settings of the app. It has tutorials that will help us to navigate the app. So these are the different settings of Zipgrade. Show paper on scan, one paper per student. Warn before overwriting. Hide scores on summary. Show correct answers. Shutter sounds. Vibrate on scan. Bright light detector. Focus requirements, which there are settings to focus on scanning the paper. And sheet strictness, we have also here share logs with Zipgrade and share debug images. So once again, this is Zipgrade. If you will remember, we have created the quizzes in the website. So if we log in the app, the data on the website will automatically sync. So we have here the list of the students that we have recently encoded. Make sure that you're connected to the internet or data. So this is my account, and my subscription is until December 3, 2021. It is only worth 339 pesos in Philippine money. To view your student, kindly click the student icon. At the upper right of the student list, there is an icon for the quizzes. So these are the list of the quizzes that we have created in the website. It will automatically sync, especially if we are connected in the internet or in data. We can also add new quizzes in our mobile phone. So we have music, health, PE, and art. So let us now add an answer key to our quiz. Kindly click Edit Key. There are two ways to add an answer key to our quiz. You can either have it by scanning or edit the key. To edit the key, kindly select the letter of the correct answer in each number. You can also assign a points in each number. To download the answer sheet, let us go back to the website. Click your browser, then type Zipgrade. After that, click the link of the website and then log in your email account and your password. You have successfully logged in the website. Then go to answer sheet. These are the quizzes that we have added in our mobile phone and here in the website. In the class section, you may download the answer sheet with the names of your student, and also in the answer sheet section. Go to custom answer sheet, select the name and the code of your answer sheet. Before you download the answer sheet, check the name and the code if it is the same from the mobile app. To download the sheet, you may use PDF or PNG. If you're using PNG, you may able to customize your answer sheet. In your computer, can you look for Publisher? And in your publisher, select blank. After that, go to download and select the downloaded PNG. Make sure that the serial numbers are the same. That can be seen at the right portion of the answer sheet. Click, then drag it to the publisher. Then arrange according to the size of your desired answer sheet. You may use text box to put the name of your school and the seal of your school. Kindly adjust until you get the desired design. Then insert, draw text box, then encode the name of your school. Kindly adjust until you get the desired design. You may also insert another text box, or you may draw a shape to put an outline in each answer sheet. Go to Format, and from Shape Style, select the first design. After that, go to Shape Fill and select No Fill to view the answer sheet underneath the shape. Then select All, then right-click and click Group. After that, adjust until you get the desired design. You may also put the school seal on the text box that you have created. In my case, I have arranged my files and logo for me to easily access the design that I want. If you have located the logo, click and drag it in the publisher and adjust the logo to its desired design. After that, make sure to balance the seal in the text box. And now we are done with our design. After that, we're going to group the seal and the text box and our answer sheet. In the uppermost of your answer sheet, click, hold, and drag to select. After selecting, right-click on your mouse and select Group. After that, you're going to copy by long pressing the Control key and then drag and drop. We are having now the two design of our answer sheet. To create a hard copy of your answer sheet, go to File, select Print to print your answer sheet. So we are now printing our answer sheet. You may also add another 2 copies of your answer sheet in the publisher by following the steps. And our answer sheet is now ready. Okay, this time we are now going to use our mobile phone with Zipgrade app. We're going to scan the paper or the answer sheet rather. As we can see, we are in the music quiz. So make sure that you have checked the form, that is summative test 2020 0815. Then kindly click the scan papers for us to scan the answer sheet that we have created in the website. Make sure that the green light is aligned with the QR code. The 4 black points in the corner of the answer sheet. Then after that, as we can see, the app will flash the score of the student. So Alendra got only 5 out of 15. It has also other choices, whether you're going to change the paper of the student, or to erase or clear the paper, and to review the paper of the student. As I click the review the paper, we can see the shading of the student and be able to review whether there are discrepancy on how the app scanned the answer sheet. We must check the lighting, the printing of the answer sheet to minimize the discrepancy on how the app scans the answer sheets. We must also follow the suggested size of the answer sheets. Thank you very much for your time. It was an honor to have you in my channel. Well, if you think this video is helpful, kindly leave your comments below or any suggestion, and I'll try my best to create another tutorial. And for more video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe.